Welcome to 147 Colonial Commons Drive. This nice 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, brick front patio home with a covered front porch, fenced backyard, and updated laminate hardwood flooring inside. It's located in the Colonial Commons neighborhood in Southeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, the VA hospital, and UofSC Med School as well. So we're out front. You can see this is a nice lot sort of at the end of the street. There's, I believe, sort of a retaining pond there with some landscaping around it, but you do have a nice tree, a couple nice trees here out front. 2-car parking pad, pretty wide. You may be able to fit another vehicle in there as well, depending on size. But you have a covered front porch here. And you do have a bit of side yard on the front as well, with some fencing there that sort of blocks off that common area. So as we come inside, again, the covered front porch here, as you enter, first thing you'll notice are the laminate hardwood floors, especially if I point the camera right at them as you come in. So those are throughout, it's actually a sort of a vinyl plank, but looks like hardwood, but it's throughout the kitchen, living room, and goes into the bathrooms as well. So you have a small foyer here. The kitchen is off to this side. On your left, you do have a bedroom here on this side as well that connects to a full bathroom that's also accessible from the living room. But nice eat-in dining area, small little breakfast nook in here in the kitchen. And then the kitchen is also open to the living room. Smooth top electric stove, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher there included. White cabinets. You have the counter bar here. You'll see that from the other side as well, but it looks out towards the living room. Coat closet here. That's that bathroom that we mentioned. We'll take a look at that. And you have some built-in glass shelving. Dining area here, vaulted ceilings throughout this area as well. So the dining area with that bar counter open to the living room. Has a ceiling fan, gas log fireplace there, and also sort of a built-in media hutch where you can put a TV if yours is narrow enough to fit in there, since most are widescreen and not square now. You do have a laundry room off of the living room as well, full-size washer and dryer connections, and a shelf there above. And then the sliding glass door to the backyard is here. We can get that open for you. But out back, you have a patio, and then fenced backyard sort of backs up to a wooded buffer area, so no neighbor directly to your rear. You also do have a storage room. It's lockable here as well. So good storage space. I believe there also is a light in there. So back into the house, the master bedroom is here on the left, off of the living room. You have the vaulted ceiling in there, sort of a half slope, ceiling fan, carpet in the 2 bedrooms, large window looking out over the backyard. And then you have a full bathroom in those floors, same as in the main area. Single sink on the larger vanity. Some updated strip lighting, and you have a walk-in shower with some of those corner bench seats, commodes in an alcove back there, and then the linen closet, as well as a nice size walk-in closet. And you have a good bit of shelf and hanging space in here for the size. And back out. And then last but not least, as we entered on the left there, or excuse me, on the right, as we came in, there was the full bathroom and additional bedroom as well. So you have the shower and tub, single vanity and lighting there, and then it connects to this bedroom. So perfect for a guest bathroom, or if you have someone that has access, but you also do have access from the living room as well. And then there's an attic access hatch there, a ceiling fan in this room as well, and this one looks out towards the front. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 147 Colonial Commons Drive in Southeast Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.